Hey guys, just hopping in for a quick video, just showing you what my hair looks like after being retightened for the last time before I hit the 2-year mark. So we're going to get up close and personal, even more than the last video, and just kind of show you what my hair's looking like before I hit 2 years. Stay tuned. All right, let's get right into it, guys. So this is my last retightening, although I just did a closer look into my hair in the last video, and now I'll be sure to post that up top. But that was right at the end of my hair when it was getting close time for my hair to be retightened. So I just want to show you like the most recent version of what my hair looks like almost 2 years in. Again, on March the 24th, it'll be my 2-year anniversary. So I'm so excited. Woo! All right, so again, getting up in there. So I don't know if you remember from the last video, it was a lot of fuzz here, but this is how my hair is looking 2 years in after getting it retightened. And as you can see, there is minimal scalp that shows, but I actually like, when I see a little scalp now, guys, because I just like the clean look. Okay, now honestly, I like my hair in all stages, except for probably when it gets to the very end and it's just looking like a little unkept. But even then, not so bad. But here we go. The grid is definitely on point. I get a lot of people asking me, what does my grid look like? So I'm going to take a little closer look so you all can see exactly what it looks like. So if you see, guys, I mean, I have Microlocs, but I guess it's very similar to what the Sisterlock grid looks like. And if not, let me know in the comments. But from what my loctician says, it's very close to that grid pattern. So that means I can part my hair in even rows. So when doing styling, it makes it very easy to do an even line. And here's the back. Let's see if I can get in that frame, guys. All those baby hairs that were there last time, they're on the last video, are now back up in there. Yes, they are. Okay, I hope I was not too far off from the frame. Now, as far as, I forgot to mention this in my last video, I had a little trouble spot right here where the hair is short and fine. Okay, my hair is fine, as you all know, but my edges are very fine. And that one piece of hair was also very short. So it just wouldn't stay locked. And we're talking about, I'm almost 2 years in, and it kept giving me trouble. Crazy enough, not in the beginning, but probably towards the 2nd year was when that area gave me a hard time. And so here's the update on that lock. This actually has an extension in it, guys. Can you believe it? Up to about right here is my hair, and the rest is an extension that she had to attach to kind of give this piece a little bit more strength and substance. And we'll be probably cutting it out soon. And then the hair that was right here, guys, we just put it in with the hair that was right next to it, because it was just too short to lock on its own. And she said over time she may split this lock into 2. But that's the update on that. And as far as color, I know I talked to you all last time about me getting a couple of color test patches, or whatever you want to call it. So what I'm going to do, guys, on Wednesday, and if I get a chance, I will come back and put that into this video. And we're going to just test patch a couple of locks and make sure that the locks do not open and that they can withstand. And if it does well, I'm going to get my entire head back color in honey blonde. So basically what these tips look like, it's going to be on my entire head again. And I'm just so excited about it. Yes. And if you saw my last video, guys, you saw the length. But just in case you didn't see the last video, let me show you my progress. So we actually have some hang time coming again, as you saw in the last video. Whereas my hair is probably set up on top of the collar, it's now hanging below. And definitely you can see in volume, my hair, it sits out pretty easily without any manipulation, no braid outs to give fullness. And that's what time gave me. So if you're just starting your journey, know that over time your hair will improve. It's like fine wine. It gets better with time. Like literally, locks, they just continue to get better. Okay, I've noticed a increase in fullness. I've noticed an increase in uniformity in my locks. My hair requires less maintenance. So overall, I am very excited, and I will also, guys, be coming up sometime soon, either the end of this month or in April, with a 2-year compilation video of my hair from the last year. And I may even do one from beginning to the end. I'm not quite sure. If you've not already done so, guys, I'd love for you to like and subscribe. Again, this is a quick drop-in video, just so you can see what my hair looks like post retightening, almost 2 years in. All right. Talk to you later. Have a good day. All right, guys. So I'm actually coming back a couple of days later. I did not get a chance to film the day of, and I almost forgot to do it. So here, take the glasses off. This is a sample of the color my hair will be. It's pretty much the same as my ends. And the entire point of testing this color patch out was to make sure that the locks remain healthy. So we're going to see over the next 4 to 5 weeks if there's any opening of the locks with the color. And if it's not, then my entire head will be in this color from root to end. And we did a few more, guys, throughout the my head. Let's see if I can find something for you. The curious one right here, as you can see. I have one on the lower end, but they're all pretty much the same. But we did about 4 or 5 test locks just to make sure that, again, there's no damage. So if you're ever wondering, should I color my hair, sample a few pieces and see how they react. And they react well, you get the thumbs up. So hope this was helpful. All right, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.